Good morning, my beautiful children. Welcome back. I hope you all are fine and have done your revision of double L words nicely. I am Sonali ma'am and today we are going to do session 2 of double L words. So children, today we are going to do a quick recap of double L words where I'll show you some pictures. Then we will do an activity of LL words and then we will write double L words in our notebook. So let's get started.
Double L words. The first picture is of a hill. H-I-L, hill. H-I-double-L, hill. Hill is a piece of land that is higher than everything surrounding it. Hills are easier to climb than mountains. Next is sm-e-l, smell. S-M-E-double-L, smell. It is one of our 5 senses. We smell with our nose like flowers, yummy food, fruits, and many other things. This is a bell. B-E-L, bell. B-E-double-L, bell. It is a hollow instrument, usually of metal. It is cup-shaped, which makes a musical ringing sound when struck by a clapper hanging inside it. This is a ball. B-A-L-L, ball. B-O-L, ball. A ball is a round object that is used in games such as tennis, football, cricket, etc. This is a doll. D-O-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. A doll is a toy that looks like a small person which kids like to play with.
Okay children, it's activity time. Here I have double L words pictures. All these are double L word pictures that I have, and here I have mixed words that you have learnt till now. We are going to find the double L words from these chits and we are going to place it under the pictures. So let's start. Our first word is S-H-I-R-T, shirt. Does shirt have double L in it? No. So we will place it here on the side. Then we have B-A-L-L, ball. Do we have double L in this? Yes. So we will place it right here. Ball. Then we have F-R-A-M-E, frame. Does frame have double L? No children. So we will place it on the side right here. Then we have D-R-O-P, drop. Drop also doesn't have double L. So we will put it on the side. Then we have H-I-double-L, hill. Does hill have double L? Yes. And a hill is right here. Then we have G-R-O-U-P, group. Group is also not a double L word, so we'll put it on the side. Then we have B-E-double-L, bell. Bell has double L. That's right. It's right here. So we'll place it under the picture. Then we have C-H-A-I-R, chair. Chair is also not a double L word, so we will place it on the side. Then we have D-O-L-L, doll. Where is the doll? Right here. So we place it under the picture. Then we have S-M-E-L-L, smell. Where is smell? Right here. The girl is smelling the rose. So children, this is our activity. Let's read the word once more. D-O-L-L, doll. B-A-L-L, ball. H-I-L-L, hill. S-M-E-L-L, smell. And B-E-L-L, bell. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Okay children, let's start with today's date. Today is 2/4/9.2020. Outside the margin line, leave 2 finger space and we will write L, L, double L, one finger space, and W, O, R, D, S, double L words. So our first word is hill. So we'll write with H, from red line to second blue line make a standing line, from blue line to blue line make a bump. H, blue line to blue line make an I with a dot, and red line to second blue line standing line, red line to second blue line standing line. Double L, HILL, hill. Hill is a piece of land that is higher than everything surrounding it. Hills are easier to climb than mountains. Next word is smell. So we write blue line to blue line, make an S. Blue line to blue line standing line with one curve and second curve M. Blue line to blue line E. Red line to second blue line L. Red line to second blue line L. SMELL, smell. It is one of our 5 senses. We smell with our nose like flowers, yummy food, fruits, and many other things. Next word is bell. So we write from red line to second blue line, make a standing line, and then make and reverse C, B, blue line to blue line E, red line to second blue line L, red line to second blue line another L, BELL. It is a hollow instrument, usually of metal. It is cup-shaped, which makes a musical ringing sound when struck by a clapper hanging inside it. Our next word is ball. So red line to blue line make a standing line, and blue line to blue line make a reverse C, then make a C curve, blue line to blue line, go up and down, standing line A, red line to second blue line L, red line to second blue line L again. BALL, ball. A ball is a round object that is used in games such as cricket, football, tennis, etc. Our next word is doll. So red line to second blue line standing line, and you make a C, D. Blue line to blue line make a curve, O. Red line to second blue line L, red line to second blue line standing line L. DOLL, doll. A doll is a toy that looks like a small person which kids like to play with. So children, let's revise the words once again. HILL, hill. Hill. SMELL, smell. Smell, smell. BELL, bell. Bell. BALL, ball. Ball. DOLL, doll. So children, all these 5 words, you have to write it in the second column, third column, and the fourth column. So children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. Keep revising all your words that you have learned till now. Learn the spellings, practice your writing work, and I will see you again soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.